gathered on September 13th in front of the municipal hall. We came to either run or walk or bicycle or ride on a horse-drawn carriage. The people of Neudorf celebrating the 30 Fox Run and the opening of the revamped nature trail. Open year-round, winter or summer. We met at the beginning of the trail, and those of us that had trouble walking, of which I'm one, went on the horse carriage. And the others, they ran, they walked, they bicycled. And we all met eventually at the end of the trail, 15 kilometers, where we celebrated being together on this day. Most of the people were busy taking in the harvest, but we were surprisingly numerous on this occasion. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words. The happiness of that day just shows in everybody's faces. It was a hot day, a good day. We put out picnic tables, and the trail, of course, is beautiful. Finally, we're back into the town.